Welcome to the D Smart Worker YouTube channel. This one will be the only one unit preparation for 2021 batch, like advent of Europeans to India. How many questions they can made in a this unit, we are trying to solve all that questions in a pattern way. Okay, most expected questions can ask these questions in a examination of 2021. Okay, this will be the continuation series, like seventh one by Devindra. Let's see the questions. First question: Constantinople was the center of international trade and was considered as the what? It is considered as gateway of European trade, not at all other things B, C and D. Okay. Next, second one: which merchants had gained monopoly over the trade in Asian countries? That is actually Arabs. In Western countries or in European countries who are having the monopoly means that is exactly the Italians. Okay. Next question: in which year the Ottoman Turks captured the city of Constantinople? In which year? Most of the time they are asking years. Please remember each and every one years. For this question, answer is 1453. On that year they actually captured the Constantinople. Fourth one: in which year Vasco da Gama reached the west coast of India? Okay, in which year? 1498. Vasco da Gama left from where itself? He is actually left from Lesbian and he actually reached to the he actually left the Lisbon and he reached to the Kappad and west coast of India. Okay, this is entire thing. Have a look on textbook and clarify each and everything. We are going to the next question. Among the which were the first to arrive in India for trade and were also the last to leave India by the sea route? That is exactly the Portuguese. Okay, they are actually came to India first and they actually leave the last in 1961, war of independence in 1961. Okay, who implemented the blue water policy? Who implemented blue water policy? Have a look in the textbook, answer for this one. Okay, in the same way, seventh also I am leaving for you. Who waged a battle against the Sultan of Bijapur in 1510? Please have a look on the textbook and solve these two questions. Eighth one: which one is the administrative center of Portuguese in India? That is exactly Goa. It is like a capital city in India for a Portuguese. That is exactly the Goa. Next question. Ninth, which Mughal emperor issued a royal permission to English to establish their first warehouse? It is exactly the Jahangir given a royal permission to establish their warehouses. Exactly where they established means in a Surat they established their first warehouses. Okay, after that, who arrived at the court of Jahangir as the ambassador from the court of James first? That is answer A, Sir Thomas Roy. They came from here and they got some more warehouses to establish in some regions. Okay, after this, which one is the English made their capital city in India? That is exactly the Kolkata. The Portuguese also made a capital city in India, that is Goa. In that way, here also English made their own capital city in India, that is Calcutta. Next question: French took which village from a local Muslim official and developed it as a major trade center? That is Valikondapuram. They bought it, actually brought it. After that, they developed that as a after I am taken that one more questions. Have a look on that in the next question. Okay, 13th question. Later part Valikondapuram became to be known as, it is developed as a administrative center and it is called as a Pondicherry or Puducherry. This here the answer is D. A and C are both also the right answer. Okay, and 14th one. In Battle of Boxer, British army led by or leadership by Hector Munro. Okay, next 15th question: who implemented dual government? Okay, it was implemented by the Robert Clive. In which year the dual government was implemented? When the Battle of Boxer took place. Both of the years are there. Have a look on your textbook and replay in a comment section. If you have any doubts, then also you can make a replay in a comment section. Okay, If you are liked our contents, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get a notification. So okay, all the best for the 2021 batch students. And you have to, any more questions is left out, please write it down all those things by seeing the textbook. All the best.